number 3 on page number 121. Page 121. Okay, so read the amount. Example, ABC Private Limited sells a standard product at a fixed price. The budgeted figure for the year 2012-13 are as follows. Production and sales 2 lakh units. Variable cost 56 rupees per unit. Fixed cost 48 lakh rupees. Margin of profit 33 and 33% on selling price. You are required to determine the sales at a break-even point from the viewpoint of volume and value at sales price as given above for the budget year 2012-13. So we are required to calculate the uh, break-even point in form of value as well as in form of volume. Volume, that means what? Volume, that means unit. આપણે બે રીતે બ્રેક ઇવન પોઈન્ટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું છે, એક રૂપિયામાં અને એક યુનિટમાં. ક્લિયર? ઓકે. And if you want to calculate break even point in units, what is your formula? Fixed cost upon contribution per unit. And contribution per unit, that means selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So your variable cost per unit 56 is given, but selling price per unit is not given. So our first target to calculate selling price, સૌથી પહેલું તમારે selling price calculate કરવી પડે. So let's see here, selling price per unit is equal to what? You know that total cost plus profit, and total cost means variable cost plus fixed cost plus profit is equal to selling price. This is the formula. Agree? Selling price means variable cost plus fixed cost plus profit is equal to selling price. Okay. So here variable cost is 56 rupees per unit. Fixed cost is 48 lakh rupees given and 2 lakh unit is given. So per unit 48 lakh divided by 2 lakh plus profit. Profit is 33 and 1/3 percentage, 33.33% of selling price. Okay, so this equation is correct. Is if you assume selling price as X, માની લો કે selling price X છે, તો 56 plus 24 plus X into 33 and 1/3 percentage. This is the equation. Okay. Next step. 56 plus 24. Okay, and X into 33.33%, that means 0.33333x. Okay, your equation is like this. X is equal to 80 plus 0.3333x. If this 0.333x we will transfer on the opposite side, then it will deduct from the x. X, that means 1x. So 1 minus 0.33333, that means 0.66666 is equal to 80. So your equation is like this. X minus 0.33333x is equal to 80. Okay, so the next step is 0.66666x is equal to 80. Okay, and now x is equal to 80 divided by 0.66666, whatever the numbers on your calculator. And finally, x is equal to, what is the answer?
120.
કેટલો જવાબ આવે? 120. So x is equal to 120. So this is your selling price per unit 120, which is not given in the example. So selling price per unit is rupees 120. Okay, hope you understand up to this. Is there any confusion? No. अच्छा, બીજી કોઈ રીતે ગણી શકીએ ખરા? તમને કોઈ આ ઇક્વેશન વાળી મેથડ થી આપણે ગણી છે? બીજી કોઈ મેથડ થી ગણવું હોય તો પ્રોપોર્શનલી પણ ગણી શકાય, યુ નો ધેટ. Total cost is 56 plus 24, that means 80. માની લો સેલિંગ પ્રાઇસ 100 હોય તો પ્રોફિટ એનું 33.33 मतलब કે 66.67 એ તમારી કોસ્ટ હોય. તો 66.67 એ જો 100 હોય તો 80 એ કેટલા? એ રીતે પ્રપોર્શન મૂકો તો પણ જવાબ આવી જાય અને એ પણ વેલિડ છે, ગણી શકાય. પણ હું ઇક્વેશન થ્રુ ગયો છું. ક્લિયર? બંને રીતે સાચું ગણાશે. So this is your selling price. The selling price પછી okay, contribution per unit calculate કરવું પડે. Okay, તો contribution per unit is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Okay, and if you put the values, then contribution per unit is equal to 120 minus 56. Then your contribution is rupees 64 per unit. Agree everybody? This is your contribution per unit. So if you have contribution per unit, you can calculate break-even point in units. But you are required to calculate break-even point in value also. That means in rupees also. And for that we are required PV ratio, because the formula for the calculation of break-even point in rupees is fixed cost upon PV ratio. So we can calculate PV ratio also. And the formula for PV ratio is contribution upon sales into 100. And if you put the value contribution 64 upon 120 into 100, so your PV ratio has become 53.33333. Everybody calculate on your calci. It might be a mistake. જોઈ લેજો. 53.33% આવે છે બધાને. Okay. Now the next step is calculation of break even point. હવે તમારે break even point calculate કરવાનું છે. Break even point in units. સૌથી પહેલું આપણે break even point in units લાવીએ. So break even point in units formula is very easy. Fixed cost upon contribution per unit. Your fixed cost is 48 lakh as given and contribution per unit is 64. Okay, so first put the formula. Break even point is equal to fixed cost upon contribution. Put the value. Break even point is equal to 48 lakh divided by 64. Now your break even point is 75,000 units. Okay. Now break even point in rupees. હવે break even point rupees માં લાવીએ. In value. So break even point in rupees is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. Fixed cost 48 lakh and PV ratio is 53.33%. So put the values and finally your answer is, answer ગણી કહેજો કેલ્સી ઉપર કેટલું આવે છે. What your answer is? 48 lakh divided by 53.33333333 જેટલા તમારા કેલ્સીમાં આવે એટલા. And then press the percentage button. Your answer is 9 lakh. 9 lakh or 90 lakh? 90 lakh. Okay. Here is 10 less. 90 lakh. Okay. 90 lakh. Break even point in rupees. Okay. કોઈ doubt? બંને questions ના answer મળી ગયા છે તમને. અચ્છા, 90 lakh rupees જે છે એ મારે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકી ના લાવવા હોય અને બીજી કોઈ રીતે લાવી શકું ખરા? If I don't want to put the formula, I don't want to calculate PV ratio, is there any other way to calculate this 90 lakh rupees break even point? કોઈ બીજી મેથડ છે? No. આપણો બ્રેક ઇવન પોઈન્ટ 75,000 યુનિટમાં આવેલું હતું. આ 75,000 ને 120 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો what is your answer? $75,000 into 120. What is your answer?
90 lakh.
90 lakh. તો આ રીતે પણ તમે આન્સર લઈ શકો છો. નોટ નેસેસરી ધેટ યુ હેવ ધ ફોર્મ્યુલા. જરૂરી નથી કે તમે આ ફોર્મ્યુલામાં મૂકો પીવી રેશિયો કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને જ લાવો. બ્રેક ઇવન પોઈન્ટ ઇન રૂપીઝ, that means break even point in unit multiplied by selling price. Break even point in rupees is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. These are the alternative formulas. Okay, you can use anything, whatever you remember in your exam. For exam માં જે યાદ આવેલા જ છે. Okay, so here question number 3 is completed. Is there any doubt?